Dear brothers and sisters, I welcome you all to hear and see this video message. In this video, I am going to explain the good books to know about Christianity's and missionaries' contribution to reformation and shaping of modern India. In this, I compiled 26 books for Christianity contribution to modern India that I given in the description, also that I given in my blogspot Shadow Cabinet of India. In this video, I am going to give the name of the book, the author and publisher, price and pages. The first book is They Too Fought for India's Freedom, The Role of Minorities. Editor Akhtar Ali Engineer, page 214, publisher Hope India Publication. Christians and the National Movement, the Memoranda of 1919 and the National Movement with special reference to Protestant Christians in Tamil Nadu 1919 to 1939 by D. Arthur Jayakumar, pages 282, publisher Pundai Pustak, original from the University of Michigan. The Role of Christians in National Integration by Walter Fernandez, pages 45, publisher Indian Social Institute, original from the University of Michigan. Contribution of Christian Missionaries in India by Kamila Parekh, pages 184, publisher Gujarat Sahitya Prakash. Christianity's Contribution in the Shaping of Modern India by Joseph A. Gadhia, author Sanjay V. Gadhia, author, rupees 660, pages 540, publisher Anugya Books. Christian Contribution to Nation Building, pages 358, editor M. Yesra Sarkunam, publisher Mission Educational Books, original from the University of Michigan, contributors S. Devasahayam Ponraj, Samuel J. Kumar. Impact of Christianity on Indian and Australian Societies by Ashok Rathore, rupees 359, pages 279, publisher Excelbris. The Christian College in Developing India, a sociological inquiry by Richard D. and Dickinson, pages 370, publisher Oxford University Press, original from the University of Michigan. Christian Mission in India, contribution of some missions to social change by Colin F. Flair, pages 420, publisher Simon Fraser University. Christians' Cultural Interactions and India's Religious Tradition, pages 241, publisher W. B. Eerdmans, editors Alain M. Lowe, Judith Margaret Brown, Robert Eric Frankenberg. Indian Christianity and its Public Role, Socio-Theological Explorations, publisher Department of Christian Studies, University of Madras and Christian World Imprints, New Delhi. Editor Jnana Patrick, contributor University of Madras, Department of Christian Studies. Christian Contribution to Indian Languages and Literature, editor Va Jayadevan, publisher Mariagam, original from the University of Michigan, pages 218. Let There Be India, Impact of the Bible on Nation Building, Babu K. Varghese, author, Vishal Mangalwadi, forward, Word of Christ Publishing and Media Concerns, pages 730, marketed by Trias.com. The Bible in India, The Making of a Nation by Vishal Mangalwadi, rupees 90, pages 72, marketed by Trias Company in Chennai. Legacy of William Carey, a model for the transformation of a culture by Vishal Mangalwadi, author, rupees 749, pages 159, publisher Crossway Books, US edition. Christianity and Health and Educational Development in South Truvangur, the work of the London Missionary Society from 1890s to 1947 by Dr. M. Kristudas, author, rupees 401, pages 101, publisher Christian World Imprints. Caste, Gender and Christianity in Colonial India, Telugu Women in Mission, Post-Colonialism and Religions by J. Danatti Asrier, rupees 3686, pages 203, publisher Palgrave Macmillan. The Quest for the Freedom and Dignity, Caste, Conversion and Cultural Revolution by Vishal Mangalwadi, rupees 200, marketed by Trias Company, Chennai. Christianity in India, Search for a Liberation and Identity, editor F. Krankuma, pages 337, publisher Indian Society, original from the University of Michigan. Indian and Christian Historical Accounts of Christianity and Theological Reflection in India by Lal Singma Pachuva, author, rupees 213, pages 208, publisher Indian Society for Promoting Christian Knowledge. Christianity in India, Conversion, Community Development and Religious Freedom by Rebecca Samuel Shaw, author, Joel Carpenter, author, rupees 859, pages 200, publisher Fortress Press. Christianity and National Integration in Northeast India, its role among tribes and communities for contributing towards cultural, educational, humanitarian and peace initiatives by Dr. O.L. Sanaithang, rupees 675, pages 185, publisher Christian World Imprints. Christianity and Change in Northeast India by T.B. Subba, author, Joseph Puikunnil Saji, author, Joseph Pudan Prokal, author, rupees 780, pages 362, publisher Concept Publishing Company. India, The Great Experiment by Vishal Mangalwadi, author, publisher Pippa Ran Books, 350 pages, marketed by Trias Company, Chennai. Missionary Conspiracy, Letters to a Postmodern Hindu by Vishal Mangalwadi, rupees 225, marketed by Trias Company, Chennai. Christians in Secular India by Abraham Ballial Damas, pages 246, publisher Fire League Dickinson University Press, original from the University of California.